In this video, I'm going to show you how to install VST plugins in Cakewalk. Now, this is actually super simple. Let me show you the way I usually do this. Now, you want to go to the Edit tab up top left, and you want to go to Preferences. In here, you want to click on VST settings under File over here, and you'll be able to see this are basically your paths, which is going to be scanning for your plugins. Now, in my case, by default, in your case as well, there's going to be likely 3 of them. You can just go and find any of these folders on your computer. So as you can see, it says exactly where those are, and you can go and install VST plugins in there. So you can just go and drag and drop them in there, and that's of course one way to do it. But if you want a separate folder somewhere on your computer, like me, so I do have one here inside my downloads folder. Let me show you. It's called plugins VST3, and I can just open this, and I have some VST plugins in here. As you can see, I can go and of course it's an actual file, so we can just drag and drop them in here and then link that specific folder. So you want to go to add over here, then you want to find it. I have it under my downloads, and here there should be somewhere over here. I'm gonna find them. There we go, plugins VST. You want to find the folder, click on OK, and it's now going to scan this, of course, from here. So as you can see, the plugins have been found and one is new, and that's because I have added this folder which has one VST plugin. So you can also click on the scan button if it's not doing it automatically, and that's going to, of course, install your plugins into Cakewalk. So super simple, get a folder or just install in any of those. But for me, I just usually place a folder somewhere where I remember where it is. I don't actually delete it, and then I just go and link it in here by clicking the add button. I scan, which of course happens automatically as well, and then don't forget to hit the apply and OK buttons, and that's all you have to do to actually install VST plugins in Cakewalk. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.